Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is now, I think, clearly heading into one direction, which is this way here. After the bullish scenario has been invalidated, I think we are clearly on our, or in our short-term bearish scenario, indicating this larger correction that is just facing further down, going into the yellow target area here between 55 and 130 US dollars before we come up higher and see much higher prices around 650 US dollars. So you remember I showed you that bullish scenario before and the bearish one. Well, this is not really bearish, is it? We're only in a correction before we then move up. But still, you know, I call them bullish and bearish to differentiate them. So I did show you the bullish one that was invalidated after we came below 175 to 178 US dollars. Since then, we're clearly in a downtrend. And this is now my preferred scenario, not because I like it necessarily, but because this is what the Elliott wave count is suggesting to us. Basically that after we came below this ideal target area here, that would have pushed us further up, but it didn't. That indicates that was invalidated. We are now going down further. We also broke below this descending wedge here. We currently, or we did retest it, didn't come back into it, indicating also a further downtrend. Now, to really accelerate the downtrend, we need to move below $161. And to be honest, the faster we do it, the faster we'll get out of it, out of this downtrend, because we need to turn around then in this target area here. And the longer this drags on, the more difficult and the more draining will it be for traders and investors, and for people who are watching the charts every day. You can also see the EMAs here on the chart. So we have dropped below nearly all of them. The only exception is the 144 day EMA, which is here, this one, which is currently sitting at $144. Quite funny. But that is the next key support. If we lose the $160, I think this will be key support also because it's quite close to those previous lows here. Yeah, at $145. And then we've got the, as I said, the frame here around the yellow target area, 55 to $130. And I think this shows very nicely that not everything is moving in the same direction. Everybody always say you only need the Bitcoin chart, but that's not true because the cryptos are moving different at the moment. They're moving in different ways. You've got Matic, which is moving completely different to Solana. Then you've got Cardano also moving different to Solana, you know, and they're all moving different ways. So you need to have a look at them individually. And yeah, I think Solana only knows this direction now. There could be a little bit of up and down as we had here. You know, we had a bit of a fake out here to the upside that pushed us to $240 here on the 2nd of December. It did not materialize, however, and you can get these, you know, but that it doesn't change the main direction, which is currently just here on our way down. Okay, so that's my expectation. I think we're going to get there probably in a month or so, depending on what Bitcoin is doing now, because even though it doesn't really follow Bitcoin directly, there is still an effect. So if Bitcoin starts to rally up, which I think it might actually do before it drops down much lower, and you know my scenario if you've been watching my Bitcoin videos, then we could also see another little run of Solana, but it doesn't change anything here on the chart until we really move to much higher levels, basically because that bullish scenario has now been invalidated. We need to move into these areas here to get a turnaround, and the highest one possible would be that $130 level. These are all FIBs, so $130 is the 0.5 FIB level. Then we've got the 0.618 at 100 and the 0.786 at $57 down here. So key levels where I also will buy more Solana at these levels, a little bit higher, because you know, sometimes we only reach these levels very briefly. So I'm going to set my limit orders a little bit higher. And again, for every channel member, you can find these on Discord. So hope you liked the update video about Solana. Not much more to say other than we can't really move higher at the moment. Did the retest of this descending wedge, couldn't really do it. Next key support $161, the 0.382 FIB level. If we drop below that, expect a strong drop, possibly to $145 in the first instance. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.